The best outdoor solar lights are essential for energy-efficient, eco-friendly illumination that enhances your outdoor spaces while reducing electricity costs. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 outdoor solar lights that combine style, durability, and smart solar technology to light up your life. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Kemeco ST4311AQ LED Solar Post Light. This solar-powered wonder is not just a pretty face. It's packed with features to brighten up your space while saving you money. With a built-in dusk-to-dawn sensor, this light automatically charges during the day and turns on at dusk, providing you with brilliant warm white light throughout the night. It's eco-friendly, hassle-free, and cost-effective, no cords or electric wiring needed. Installation is a breeze with 2 mounting options. You can place it on a 3-inch column or post or securely attach it to any flat surface using the provided mounting base. Just make sure your chosen spot gets plenty of sunshine. Crafted with a vintage-inspired frame made of durable cast aluminum and ripple glass, this light is both waterproof and weather-resistant. Maintenance is minimal. A quick wipe of the top panel keeps it in peak charging condition. And here is the best part: Kemeco offers an extended warranty of up to 3 years and round-the-clock customer service support, ensuring your peace of mind. Number 2. Derynome Solar Lantern Outdoor Lights with Wall Mount Kit. These solar lanterns effortlessly combine modern and classic design elements, featuring real clear glass and high-quality metal that exudes elegance, while providing a warm ambient glow at night. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual on-off switches. These lanterns automatically light up your front porch, fence post, wall, or backyard at dusk. These lights are built with quality metal, earning them an IP65 waterproof rating. Come rain, shine, frost, or snow, these lanterns will continue to shine without any worries of damage. And here is the best part: these lanterns are entirely solar-powered. No extra electricity costs, no intricate wiring installations. The solar panels soak up the sun's energy during the day, providing up to 10 hours of illumination at night. Installation is a breeze with the included screws and brackets, making them perfect for any exterior wall or wooden fence. Versatile and durable, these lanterns can be used in various outdoor settings, from porches and garages to walkways and gardens. They even come with hooks for easy hanging. Number 3. ALFIOT Solar Pathway Lights. These lights are the result of cutting-edge advancements, featuring a monocrystalline silicon solar panel that's engineered for maximum efficiency and reliability. They're designed to harness solar energy optimally, ensuring they stay powered up for longer. With an impressive 1000 mAh battery capacity, these lights outshine the competition. After a full charge, they can illuminate your outdoor spaces continuously for an astonishing 12 to 14 hours. That means your courtyard can bask in their gentle glow all night long. Built to withstand the elements, these lights are constructed from high-quality ABS plastic and boast an impressive IP54 waterproof rating. Whether it's rain, snow, frost, or sleet, they're up to the task, providing durable, year-round outdoor illumination. Installing them is a breeze, no wiring required. Just set them up in your garden, yard, or along your path in seconds. Their automatic on-off feature senses ambient light, ensuring they turn on at night and off at dawn without any effort on your part. With a charming retro design and cool white lighting, these lights will beautifully complement your yard, garden, porch, or pathway. They're perfect for enhancing the festive atmosphere and provide both bright and beautiful outdoor illumination. Number 4. Brightech Ambience Pro Solar-Powered Outdoor String Lights. These solar-powered string lights are designed to create an ideal outdoor ambience. With 12 LED lights on a 27-foot-long string, they offer just the right illumination for your space. The bulbs are built to last, with a remarkable 20,000-hour lifespan, and the detachable solar panel has an impressive 1000 charge lifespan, equivalent to about 2.5 years of use. Designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions, these patio lights are truly commercial grade. Brightech's weathertight technology ensures they can withstand winds up to 50 mph, heavy rain, and snow. The shatterproof plastic S14 bulbs can handle temperatures up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, making them perfect for year-round use. Installation is a breeze, as they don't require an outlet. You can place the solar panel almost anywhere using the included stake and clip. Create a charming, romantic atmosphere on your balcony, terrace, garden, pergola, or any outdoor space. These lights are also great for events like weddings, birthdays, and parties. With vintage Edison-style bulbs, they provide a warm, inviting glow that's perfect for dining and relaxing outdoors. They offer up to 6 hours of illumination on a full charge, ensuring your gatherings can continue well into the night. Brightech is so confident in the quality of these lights that they back them with an industry-leading 2-year limited warranty. Number 5. LampLust Solar Sconce Lights. This set of 2 modern solar wall lights brings a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. With its simple and classic design, they emit a warm white light that creates a beautiful pattern, adding a charming ambience to your surroundings. Each light measures 8 in height, 3.25 in width, and 2 in depth, making them a sleek addition to any outdoor area. These sconce lights are not only stylish but also smartly designed. They come with built-in solar panels that charge during the day, harnessing the power of the sun to illuminate your nights. Thanks to the dusk-to-dawn sensor, they automatically turn on at night, providing you with up to 8 hours of gentle, energy-efficient lighting on a full day's charge. To make installation a breeze, LampLust includes one AA rechargeable solar NIM battery in each sconce, along with all the mounting hardware you'll need. You can easily install them on any fence, patio wall, or front porch without the hassle of wiring. Durability is key with these outdoor lights. They're crafted from sturdy aluminum with a matte black finish and textured water glass, ensuring they can withstand the elements and provide reliable, long-lasting performance. These lights are built to last. Unlike many plastic alternatives, LampLust stands behind the quality of their products, offering a 90-day warranty for the Jade Solar Fence Light Set. Illuminate your outdoor space with style, convenience, and sustainability. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.